He looks extra wide today. Yeah, más gordo, ¿no ve?
Son 2, 4, 6, 7, ¿no?
Yo necesito aprender la costumbre. No sé, no sé.
Sí, es de mi papá.
Ay, tu papá.
Sí.
Oh,
Es su
qué
segundo año.
hermoso. Segundo año. ¿Cómo se llama tu papá?
Carmelo.
Camila. A Camila. ¿Son hermanos?
No, primos, familia. Esto es de maíz. De maíz.
¿Tú
Maíz
sabes chicha?
fermentado,
¿Conoces chicha?
Fermentado.
¿Nunca?
O sea,
¿Has probado?
maíz fermentado. Fermentado es.
Bienvenidos a Mizque.
Bienvenidos a Mizque, como dice allá.
Chicha, sí.
No, sí.
Chicha.
Sí, pero aquí es diferente la chicha.
Sí,
No.
no chicha morada, es con alcohol.
Ajá.
Con alcohol.
No, esto no tiene nada de ajo, nada. Pero esto también me gusta que tiene salguito ahí, mira.
A Pachamama.
Es que en
A
la
Pachamama.
noche es así. ¿Sabes? Nosotros tenemos una tradición de primero le metemos un poquito al piso, ¿no ves? Al suelo. Primero tú Pachamama, o sea, como a la diosa de la tierra. Dos y dos tu boca.
Claro.
Con la boca. No, así. Mira, en uno, mira. Mira. ¡Wow! ¡Bravo! ¡Bravo! En uno.
À la moitié, je me suis dit, je vais vomir. Je me suis dit, vas-y, je continue jusqu'au bout pour que je vomir.
¿Quién le falta? ¿Quién le falta? ¿A quién le falta? Ay.
Gracias.
¿Otra persona?
¿Usted?
¿Usted?
Ya está, muy bien.
¿Otra persona?
Gracias.
No, muchas gracias a ustedes.
A usted, a
A ustedes, muchas gracias por visitarnos.
Gordito.
No, pero yo crecí en Ecuador y hacen guaguas de pan, les llaman. Sí hacen.
Ella creciendo en
Quito.
Ecuador. Sí.
Simon and I are just riding around on the moto still. Beautiful ride. Took us through a few loops. And we're stopping at another cemetery. Like, they're still celebrating Todos Santos. And yeah, now we're in Tucma Alta, I believe. And it looks like a big party down here. Gracias.
Vamos a rezar.
Gracias. I just saw this on YouTube this morning. I was like, I want to build something because I just posted a video yesterday and been sitting around a lot and haven't really worked in the garden or on the farm so much this week. So yeah, I just saw how to make these little teepees out of bamboo. Simon originally wanted me to do it out of the white pipes we have, but I think this looks more rustico. And yeah, so I've just been wrapping string now that I have the teepees for the trellis. So now I wrapped the twine around the bottom of the tomato stem and wrapped it around the stem going up and then just tied it to the top. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, but it actually looks pretty nice. Tenemos 10 más patitos.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great.
Sí. 10. Ajá. ¿Tú crees está bien para moverse con los otros patitos? ¿Y la mamá? Today our volunteers' day off. My neck is like pretty jacked up from some yoga I did yesterday, actually. Yeah, so they're gonna go out to Chaguarani and me and Simon are gonna chill, maybe do a project.
10?
10 patitos nuevos.
¿En
Sí,
serio?
sí.
Can I go check?
Ajá, claro. Al lado, like the fence, just right there with the mom. You can't miss them.
Here we have it. New chicken run and ducklings. Hi, mommy.
Alright, so this is it.
When did you guys start traveling again? When did you leave France?
When? At the end of September.
And you went to Peru first. Yeah.
We wanted to go to Chile, but it was closed, so we canceled.
So you prefer Bolivia over Peru?
Yes.
Vous
préférez la Bolivie ou le Pérou, les gars? C'est toi qui dis.
Dès que j'ai fini mon voyage, dès que j'ai fini ma Bolivie, je sais. Parce que,
on peut pas.
là, ouais, voilà, genre là, on a quand même fait montagne colorée, Machu Picchu et tout, tu vois. Ouais. Terminado, Bolivia, y après. Y después.
Sí. Después. Yeah, right. After, yeah.
Eh, c'est trop bon.
So how was your experience here with us?
Comment était notre expérience ici avec eux?
Incredible. Perfect. Ciment.
They have man crush.
Non, good.
Confiture.
How was the food when you were here?
Incredible. Comment était la nourriture ici?
Good.
Yeah?
Even if we don't have a carnet because we are we have an habitude of carne. It was really, really good.
What were your favorite things about Mizque?
The pique macho.
Pique macho.
Football.
Football. I told you.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Football.
Yep, they picked up
No,
a game every day, every night.
Every
They
day,
wanted
Pour
to-
la ce qui est sympa, c'est une petite ville, mais c'est mignon, tout le monde se connaît, genre on apprend vite à connaître les gens et tout.
We love that it's
Un peu comme chez nous.
a little city and everybody knows everybody.
You're a pleasure to have. We appreciate you.
Really.
Yeah, you guys have been wonderful.
Ils ont dit c'était un plaisir de vous avoir, on vous apprécie.
Thank you for the good attitudes and hard work. Every day I have to harvest the asparagus. I usually have like 3 times this amount, but I skipped harvesting them yesterday. So they just shoot up past the point of eating them, and then they'll eventually go to seed. But yeah, we eat a lot of this stuff. And what's nice is we just like took the weed whacker and cut it all a month ago, so it was like starting fresh. Yeah, and they grew back really nice.
Day 0. Tom over here put his hand up. He put his hand up, which is hard to do while he's wheeling with the carretier to make the rabbit urine collecting rabbit hutch. Day 0. Day 1. Here we go. But that's fine, we could fill it in the trees later on. Just want it to look aesthetic. So we could try and fit it in there.
Yeah, I think it'd be better. It's too tall to put like right here.
The other option is to put it along the fence.
That's what I was picturing at first when we were talking about it. It was along the fence. Yeah, I like the idea of like taller things being on the outside of the property rather than
right in the middle.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, that's right. Okay, we're gonna do that.
Okay, so
we're gonna we're gonna move it right along here.
As close as you can, yeah.
This dirt over here that came from the pond is perfect for adobe mud brick. It's like 1/3, a third river silt, a third clay, and a third sand.
Yeah, like it.
So yeah, what we're going to do is all it needs for making mud brick is to have straw, a fibre in it. You could use either newspaper, which is soaked, or straw. We're going to take the straw which we grew over there, this oat, and cut it up into about 1 inch long pieces, and then store it so it's dry for us to use. Yep.
Okay.
Which machete you want? ¿El más pequeño o largo?
Más pequeño.
Well, it's day 2 of the rabbit urine collecting project, and actually it's not really day 2 because we had to grow the food first. This is alfalfa, and if you treat it right, it will live for like 7 years and give you a cut every 5 weeks or so. But if you put an organic, like I use the leachate from bokashi, if you apply that once every cut, you'll actually get an extra cut a year. The leaves grow bigger, and we had to get that. And now We've started the construction. We have Chicho visiting from Samaipata, showing us how to dig and cement ground that's as hard as cement almost. And Tom from Germany, he loves the physical stuff, happy with his new hat. How's your hat, mate? Yeah.
Last cup of coffee for almost 2 weeks, because today in 2 hours I'm going to the airport here in Cochabamba because I'm going to River Alta. Oh my gosh. So I'm in Cochabamba. Me and Simon had some errands to run while I was here, or when we came, but today I have 2 flights to go to the Amazon jungle where I will be teaching yoga and volunteering in other ways for like 12 days. So today I fly from Cochabamba to Santa Cruz and then River Alta. And I knew that I needed this because I haven't flown, or, which I hate flying these days, but I haven't really gone anywhere outside of this region since I moved here in July. 5 months, oh my God, oh, that's crazy. The reason that's so crazy is because when I lived in Las Vegas, I traveled twice a month, like to go, even if it was just nearby national parks or like a road trip. Sometimes I flew to like short flights, you know, on the West Coast. And that's just kind of how I am. I like to get different perspectives and refresh and feel inspired and be in different types of nature. You know, you get used to the location you're at, unfortunately, anywhere that you are. And every day I look at Mizque and I'm like, this place is gorgeous. Like the sunsets, the sounds, everything. But yeah, I just felt like I needed to go somewhere, get away from like the volunteer work and the farm work, change it up a bit and evolve as a yoga teacher too, because I haven't taught in a few months, even though I just taught yesterday. But it was, yeah, I want to get in the flow of teaching. Yesterday was a really rough, weird day. I wiped out on my bicycle here in Cochabamba. Cochabamba is like a busy city. Riding a bicycle around here is nuts. Simon got me into it because every time we come here, we run errands. That's him now, finishing breakfast with the volunteers. So yeah, I'm trying to get comfortable with riding a bicycle around here on my own, but it's frustrating because I have to stop and check my Google Maps sometimes, and I don't want to get my phone stolen, so it's stressful. But it started downpouring rain yesterday. Whenever I can't multitask and pack, I just have to talk and get this out and then I'll pack. It downpoured while I was riding my bicycle, so it was muddy, it was splashing up all over me, and this bandage kept falling off and like getting in my way around my shoe and the pedal. And I felt like everyone was just looking at me yesterday, like more than normal, being a white girl in this city. I don't know why. Maybe because I wasn't wearing a mask on my bicycle, because people wear masks on their moped or on their motorcycles and bikes and even in the car by themselves here right now. It's not always like that, but lately it's been like that. And so yeah, then I got lost and my body just was hurting. What else? There was some other that happened. It couldn't have been that important because I don't remember it. But last night I just felt like dead. I mean, it was 7 o'clock when I was ready to climb into bed because I wanted to take a hot bath, but I took a beautiful hot shower here at my friend's house. She's great water pressure and super hot water, which I'm not used to. And I slept for 10 hours last night. I needed it so bad. And I'm so happy because I thought I was getting sick. Like, I had a horrible headache, and I do not get headaches, and just was feeling hot. And so I took ibuprofen to bring down inflammation, because I do not want to be sick traveling today or any of the time that I'm in the jungle the next couple weeks. So after yesterday, I just feel like this trip to the jungle is even more important for me right now. To just like get back to myself, feel like myself, because I didn't yesterday. I've just been really, really busy. So you can lose yourself in the busyness sometimes. And now I get to just go like sit, meditate, practice yoga, eat holistic foods and plants in the jungle. It's gonna be really good.